Okay, now a few things are going to happen simultaneously. First of all, we're going to put the lower paneling around the two side walls. These are panel F, okay, and you'll notice that all the panels have a green tag on them. These are panel F, there's 10 of them, okay, and you'll also need some of these gray strips. Have them set apart in your instruction book. They're labeled as P7, so you'll need two. You'll need one for the bottom and one for the top of each panel piece. Now you'll notice on the panels there's a white film with printing. Those have to face what's going to be the outside of your greenhouse, and then there's a clear plastic sheet on them. It's just to protect them while they're in packaging and transport. That clear plastic part, that comes off too, and they go to the inside. Okay, so now we have the outside panels on, and we're going to do the roof panels. Now, because they're at an angle, they're going to want to slide out as you put them in. So you'll want some masking tape just to kind of tape the edge of the panels to some of the rail pieces just randomly. Make sure you can take it off easily, and just to hold it in place so it can't slide, because there's a rain gutter that holds all kinds of pieces of metal together, ends up attaching right through here. You can see a series of bolts, anyways, bolt holes. That rain gutter is what holds those panels in place, so you want to be able to tape them while you get those rain gutters on. On the inside, right about now, same time, we're going to slide this second bolt on the roof rail down to about there. We're going to loosen that off, pivot this around, and put that support, put this support piece right there at an angle from there up to about there, and make sure you get them all even all the way along, and that ties the wall to the roof together and strengthens it right up. Okay, so this is where we're at. Back up a bit. We got most of the roof together, got the sides together, the doors are together, they're not on. They'll go into those sliders, and the end caps go on. Have to shim the bottom of that door. There's some of these supports for them. Okay, they go onto the roof, right like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm still working on, and little bits at a time. I get those 6 bolts that I used in each rail used up. Okay, this one's all together. We lined up the rain gutter on this side. It's on. Okay, that holds all the bottom pieces of the panels in place, and the top of the side ones in place. Holds all the metal in place from the outside. Those are very crucial. Once again, you want to always double check to make sure that the bolts top of the track are lined up flush. If they aren't, they stop that rain gutter from going on. Okay, that's one of the big problems with it. The rain gutters just won't go on. So you'll notice how we've taped these things so they're kind of sitting in place. Our next step is to put in the window parts, the paneling parts, right below the vent windows. Okay, and we'll show you how that's to be done, and then pretty much the greenhouse is done.